Hello students, in this video we are going to start Boolean algebra. What is Boolean algebra? Before starting that, I should make you clear about electronic and electrical device. Electrical device are those devices which uses the complete voltage, that is the exact power supply which are provided to the devices. They cannot regulate them, but electronic devices are those devices which can regulate the voltage according to their requirement. For example, computer, mobile phone, television, these are the electronic devices because they can regulate the voltage according to their requirement. So what is the difference between electrical device and electronic device? Basically, electronic device are consist of IC. IC means integrated circuits. In simple way, we can say that ICs are the chip. These are the electronic chips. The simple example of the IC is memory card. Memory card is an IC which stores the data in the form of electrical impulse. ICs are made up of gates. What are gates? Gates are resistors. What are resistors? Resistors are transformer. What are transformer? Transformers are made up of capacitor. What are capacitor? Capacitors are the unit which store the charge. So all the electronic devices which regulate the voltage according to their requirement are made up of small transistors, means which can regulate the charges, which can regulate the voltage. So if you want to make an IC, then there should be some mathematics. Yes, to make an IC there is a mathematics through which you can predict how many gates are required to create an IC. Then the calculation which is used to create an IC is Boolean algebra. So we can say that Boolean algebra is a mathematics to create a logical circuit, or we can say that Boolean algebra is the base of all the electronic circuit. It is the base of IC, means with the help of Boolean algebra we design all the electronic circuit, that is chip. Then and with the help of Boolean algebra we can also predict in what situation IC work. So we can say that Boolean algebra is used to solve the logical function. Why we are saying that Boolean algebra is used to solve the logical function? Because all the ICs performs only two operations, that is either it will produce the output or it will not produce the output, or in simple language we can say that all the IC perform binary operation, that is the operation on 0 and 1s. So Boolean algebra is a mathematics to solve the logical function. Logical functions are those functions which produces the output in the form of true and false. True or 1 and false or 0 are called as truth values, and the table through which we predict the output of a IC with all the possible combinations of the truth values for a logical function is known as truth table. If result of a Boolean function is always true, it is known as tautology, that is IC or a circuit which produces only the high output is known as tautology. And if the result of a Boolean function is always false is known as fallacy, that is a logical function or a logical circuit which always produces output false. It is known as fallacy. Here I have used the term Boolean function. What is Boolean function? Boolean function is that function which produces output in the form of true or false. Now, what is logical function? Let me explain you. If I ask you what is 2 plus 2, then surely your answer will be 4. Is this a logical function? No, this is not a logical function. It is a simple mathematical expression in which the mathematics rule, that is the rule of addition, is applied. So, what is logical function? If I ask you 5 is less than 10, then what will be your answer? Your answer will be true. If I say 5 is greater than 2, then what will be your answer? Then your answer will be false. So, the function which produces the output in the form of true or false are known as logical function. In the same way, any IC, any electronic circuit, it produces the output in the form of true or false, whether it will produce the output for the given set of input or it will not produce the output for the given set of input. That's why any function which produces the output in the form of true or false is known as logical function. And in logical function, output is produced in the form of true or false. In Boolean algebra, we represent true as 1 and false as 0. That's why they are called as truth values. Who invented the Boolean algebra? The mathematician George Boole invented the Boolean algebra. Another name of Boolean algebra is switching algebra. So this is the brief introduction about Boolean algebra. Let us revise once more. What is Boolean algebra? Boolean algebra is a mathematics to solve logical functions. It is the base of all the electronic circuits. That is, it is the base of developing the IC, that is integrated circuit. All the ICs are made up of gates. Boolean algebra is used to predict what is the output of a IC for a given set of input. To predict the output of an IC, we create a table in which we create all the possible combinations of the truth value for a logical function and its output. That is known as truth table. 0 or 1, false or 0 are known as truth values. A logical function which produces always a high output, that is, if the result of a logical function is always true, it is known as tautology, and if the result of a Boolean function is always false, it is known as fallacy. George Boole invented the Boolean algebra. Now, to solve a Boolean expression, we require some operator. Like in mathematics. Mathematics is what? Mathematics is all about numbers and operator. You do the performation of calculation on the numbers with the help of operators. In the same way, in Boolean algebra also, there is operand. Operand is true or false, that is 1 or 0. And there are operators through which we perform the work on these logical operands. The logical operators or the Boolean operators are not, and or. Not is an unary operator which produces the output true when the input is false, and it produces output false when input is true. It is unary operator which work on a single operand. And is a binary operator which consists of 2 or more input and 1 output. Output will be true when all the conditions are true. In Boolean algebra, AND operator is represented through multiplication sign, that is dot sign. And the third operator is OR operator. OR is a binary operator which consists of two or more inputs and one output. Output will be true if any of the condition is true. So these operators, that is not, and or, these operators are required to perform binary calculation, and we perform the binary calculation on the operands. These operands are true or false. True means ones and false means 0. So with the help of them we predict the output of a electronic circuit and we design the IC. Rest of the things we will continue in the next video. This is just the brief description and the introduction about Boolean algebra. Thank you. Revise them. Welcome.